What is up, guys? Today, we are answering the question, how much does it cost to look like you have $1,000,000 when you actually have exactly $7,800? Enter the 2012 Range Rover Evoque Dynamic. $7,800 for a car that costs 60 grand new. It's green, it's mean, and based on the seller's description, it's currently in witness protection because all appointments have been postponed until further notice. That's marketplace speak for the car just threw a code that costs more than my house. Let's do some deep research. This is a 2012, the first year of the Evoque. Rule number 1 of the car world, never buy the first year of a British car. British engineers design cars on a Friday afternoon when they're already thinking about the pub. RepairPal gives this a 3 out of 5. It ranks 9th out of 11 luxury SUVs. That's like being the 9th best heart surgeon in the city. You're still technically a doctor, but I'm not letting you near my chest cavity. The seller says 0 faults, 0 issues, 0 worries. Let me tell you what 112,000 miles actually means for an Evoque. The Haldex AWD system. It's supposed to be serviced every 40K miles. Nobody does it. When it dies, $4,000. The Turbocharger. It's a 2.0-liter EcoBoost derived engine. At 112K, that turbo isn't boosting, it's gasping. Replacement? $2,500. Magnetic ride control. This is the dynamic trim. It has fancy shocks that adjust to the road. They also leak. When they leak, the car sags like it's depressed. Total bill? $2,000. Now look at the seller's note. All appointments postponed. Please wait to hear from me. This is a luxury cash car listing in Keller, Texas, a nice area. Why is he hiding? Theory A, he's a secret agent. Theory B, he tried to move it into the driveway for a buyer and the transmission went into hard shift mode, which feels like the car is being hit by a wrecking ball every time it goes into second gear. That's the sound of $800 leaving your bank account for a transmission control module update that might, keyword might, fix it. The seller lists ice-cold AC, 360 camera, panoramic roof. It's beautiful. You'll be the coolest looking person on the back of a flatbed tow truck. The interior of these is actually great, but remember, the 360-degree camera only helps you see the mechanics laughing as you pull into the shop. Trade-in value for this car is actually about $3,000 to $4,500. He's asking for $7,800. He calls it a deal. I call it subsidizing his next down payment. If you buy this for $7,800, you are instantly underwater by $3,000 the second you sign the title. So, is it worthy? If you are a mechanic who works for free and hates having weekends off, yes. If you are anyone else, hark no. This car is a siren song. It looks like a billionaire's toy, but it's a 12-year-old British SUV with the reliability of a chocolate teapot. The seller is literally telling you to stay away in the first line of the ad. Listen to him. Jump on this deal? No. Jump over this car and keep running until you find a Lexus. Hit subscribe if you want to see me roast more financial disasters. Peace. Final recommendation for you. Do not buy this car. 1. Seller behavior. The postponed appointments message is a massive red flag for a sudden mechanical failure. 2. Mileage. 112K is the danger zone for Land Rover turbos and timing chains. 3. Value. $7,800 is high for a private sale on a 2012 with that mileage. If you must have it, do not pay a cent over $6,000 and keep $4,000 in a savings account specifically for when the 0 worries becomes many worries.